Last year, I got a bad result in my exam at school. I failed in the exam and I was worried that my mom and dad would be angry. I went back home after school. My mom asked for my exam results. I told her and her face turned red. She was angry about that. She said, "Why is your result so bad?" I said, I was so worried and upset. At night, Dad came back home and Mom told him my exam result. He was so angry. He threw away my phone and he said, "You can get back your phone if you get a good result next time. You must study hard too. You must not be lazy," Mom said. I was upset. I wanted to get back my phone and not let my mom and dad feel disappointed again. I will study hard and get a good result next time. I hope I can do that.